Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. And here I am back again to record myself. Okay, so I know that no one is here watching me and waiting for my videos, but actually, I was also unwell to upload my videos from last 2 days. I was feeling unwell, that's why I didn't make any videos on any topic, and I didn't uploaded it. Okay, so I know that no one is waiting for me and doesn't care that if I am uploading or not, but I actually care to improve my communication skills. And if I have to make sure that I am improving, I need to make sure that I am speaking. Okay, so yes, here I am in front of you again, and we are going to start our session. um, I mean, not to start but to continue our session which we were working on. It's been already 25 days of my YouTube channel, and not 25, it may be 28 days, but I have uploaded 25 days videos on speaking challenge, and there are 5 more days left to complete the challenge, and I will make sure that I am speaking at least for 5 minutes for the next 5 days as well. After that we will choose something else, and we will try to communicate on that as well. Like, I will make sure that I am going to talk about daily stuffs and some interview stuffs. I can try to make some podcasts with my sisters or with some other friends with whom I can practice. If you want to join me, you can also send me your IDs and I can contact you, or you can send me your mail. There is a mail in my about section, so you can check it out there, and you can make sure that you are uploading your mail so I can contact you. We can practice together on YouTube, and I will try to make sure that we will work on another things as well. So I'm also not feeling well, I mean completely well today. That's why I'm not uploading videos on poetry, and I am here just to talk about my daily stuffs, and uh, that's all I actually want to talk about. But I have to make sure that I am completing those 5 minutes, and it's not been even 3 minutes as well. So let's go on, and let me tell you that I got a dream today, and it was quite fascinating, and I just loved it. So it was like a movie going on in the background, and I'm watching it. I just didn't want to wake up, and it was so cool. I mean, the zombies kind of thing were there. Sorry. I mean, there were zombies, there were um, romance, there were fightings, there were friendship, and a lot of things together merged into one. And the things are actually quite fascinating. It didn't let me just woke up. I really want to tell you the story, but before that I will make sure that I arrange all the things in sequence so I can tell you the story that I watched in sequence, and you don't get confused. Like, usually people get confused what happened in from this scene to that scene, and how I reached here to there, and I don't want to sorry, make any kind of stuff like that. And that's why I am going to arrange all those things, and then I will tell you the whole story that what I watched. I can also give you assurance that it is quite romantic, and the romance is not like someone is just hugging and kissing each other. No, that was not at all. It was something that missing, and protecting the other kind of other person to whom you love, to whom you care. So this is related to it. And let sorry, so I am going to make a video on that, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will make another videos in next days as well. See you, bye. Tada.